Sales Opportunity Management in Business Cloud Essentials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate your opportunities page and your pipeline, tailor your opportunities page to suit your business with opportunity stage naming and color coding, and view your prospects with ease in real time as they transition through the sales cycle. With Business Cloud Essentials Customer Relationship Management module, opportunities are a key area of focus. You will be met with a color-coded pipeline that highlights current prospects' movements through your system to the point of closure. The pipeline shows prospect counts and the current potential value of each stage of the process. The prospect stage description and color coding can be easily edited, further adding to the flexibility of the module. Press More and set up statuses. Here you can see that all details are fully customizable. Status names can be edited, colors can be associated, the order of statuses can be managed, and statuses can be added or closed. Any edits made will automatically be changed on the pipeline and the statuses on the table below. In Business Cloud Essentials, you are not limited to parameters that are set by the software. Tailor your opportunities page to suit your business with opportunity stage naming and color coding, and view your prospects with ease in real time as they transition through the sales cycle. Thank you for watching. Please get in contact to find out further information about the product.